You recording? Okay. Let's go, Christian. Let's go. Let's go, Christian. Let's go.
Are you a cheerleader now?
Totally. Let's go, Christian.
I've got pom-poms at home for you.
No. No. I'm just like,
Oh.
no. You want me? I have a better view. Wait, where'd he go?
He's over by the thing.
Oh. This is crap quality.
Yeah, I told you.
I can't even see him. I know I'm right on him, but I just can't see him. I'm scared to touch it and it'll stop.
Yeah, probably.
He's gonna be like, I'm running. Meh.
And he says he can't jump.
Why don't we move down here, you guys?
Okay.
Or should we stay up here?
You're a pretty fast runner.
Yeah.
Come on, Christian.
He says he's not good at running.
He's in the wall. Hit the wall. Hit the wall. You hit the wall, Christian. Don't hit the wall. You only ran 100 yet. Come on, let's go. William's all the way back there. Yeah, he's very last, and he's like, oh yeah, I'll be fine. Let's go, Christian! Don't give up! Pump it! Let's go! Let's go, Christian!
Girls 400-meter dash results. 6th place Froby from Price Prep. 5th place Swift from Price